As you can see on your screen right now, these are payments that members on this website have received. As you can see, $25, 24 cents, $3, 33 cents, $13, 72 cents, $4, 36 cents, $1, 21 cents, $2, 81 cents, $5, 22 cents, $4, 44 cents. As I scroll, you can see that a lot of members have received their payment today. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money through your PayPal accounts using this website that I'm about to show you. So if you are new and you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. One good thing I like about this website is that you are going to be paid within the same day. As you can see here, you are going to be paid within 24 hours. So once you earn money today, you are going to be paid today by this website. They have a lot of payment methods that you can use to cash your money out. They have PayPal, they have Skrill, they have Amazon, they have Tango Card, and then Bitcoin. So whatever method that is convenient to you, you are going to use that method to withdraw your money out. So when you come here, they have a good rating on Trustpilot. You can see they are getting up to 5-star rating. You can also see here they have paid over $2 million to their members who have been able to work on this website. They have a lot of ways that you can earn on this particular website. You can see you can earn cash by completing paid surveys and online offers. You can earn points by watching videos, taking part in trials, answer survey questions, play online games, and offer to earn points. So there are a lot of ways that you can use to earn money on this platform. The name of this website is rewardingways.com. So this is a popular website that you can join to earn money online. So when you come here, you are going to just click on join so that you can create your free accounts. So once you click on join, you are going to enter your first name, last name, username, password, enter your password again, enter your email again, and then you are going to come right here, enter your first address, second address, your city, your state or province, your country, and the zip code. If you are going to receive your money through PayPal, you are going to enter your PayPal email right here. If you are going to receive your money through Skrill, you are going to enter your email here. Through Payza, you are going to enter your email here. Through Bitcoin, you are going to enter your email here, and you are going to also confirm that you are over 18 years. As you can see, you are going to enter that. When you come here, you are going to agree to the site policy. If you want to receive marketing emails, you can check here. It's not compulsory. You're also going to click here, I understand the privacy policy. Once that is done, you are also going to come here, I've read and agreed to the terms of conditions. Once that is done, you are going to come right here, check the captcha box. Once you check the captcha box, you are going to click here, register, and you are going to get your free accounts. Once you create your accounts, you are going to see a page like this, and as you can see, when you sign up, you are going to earn 20 cents for free. And then as soon as you earn points, you see your points here, your referral will be here, and then your referral earning will also be here. So what we are going to do is that we are now going to start making money on this website. So to start earning, you are going to come right here, just click on earn money, and you can participate in paid surveys, and you are going to be earning money for that. So when you come here, daily paid surveys, you can get surveys to complete and then earn money. You can see many of them. You can just select any of them, and then you can start to participate in the surveys, and you earn money once you complete a survey. The next way that you can earn is to come to the offer wall. When you come to the offer wall, you are going to be watching videos, you are going to be watching ads, and you are going to be paid. So you are going to be paid in points, and you can convert the points into cash right here. So if you come here, wall ads, you are going to be seeing ads, and you can be viewing them, and you are going to be paid once you view the ads. So when you come here, notably, you are going to be watching videos. Once you watch the videos, you are going to be earning points, and you can convert those points into cash. If you want to get offers that gives you higher number of points, you are going to select this option, offer to. When you click on it, you are going to get offers that will pay you high points. So let me show you. So as you can see, this one right here is a game. When you play, you are going to earn 146 points. As I scroll, you can see this one 146. You can see another one here. This one is going to give you 1944. You can see another one 1167. So these are games that you can play to earn points. you are going to turn the points to cash, and then you can get paid through your PayPal accounts. When you come here, you can see this one too is going to pay you 1,458 points when you play the game, as you can see right here. And then you can see many offers on this particular category. So the next way that you can earn is to also come to the referral. So with the referral, you are going to refer your friends, your family members. When you refer somebody and they earn money on this website, you are going to get a percentage of their earnings. So let me click on that for you to see. So as you can see, you are going to get 20% of your referral earnings. So if you refer people through your WhatsApp, through Facebook, or any way that you get people to sign up for this website, when they earn money, you are going to get 25% of their earning. So this is another way that you can also use to earn money on this website. The next way is that you are going to come right here, click on contest. You are going to be earning money anytime you are able to earn up to a certain threshold. So as you can see right here, if you are able to be part of the top 20 members who have earned money on this website by 28 February, you are going to get paid. So if you are number one, you are going to get paid $350. If you are second, you are going to get paid $200, and then third is $100, fourth is $50, and the rest. So what you are going to do is that you are going to be serious on this platform so that you can earn money just completing some offers, and you can also earn money just by being part of the top members who have earned most by the end of this month. So if this month ends, they are going to roll it to the next month. So it's monthly contest. It does not end in February, it continues. So make sure you join. So let me show you some payment proof on this website. So when you come to rewards, you are going to come here, payment proofs, and you can get people who have earned money on this website today. You can see this person have been paid, as you can see, $1.32. You can see $11.55. So when you scroll down, you can see a lot of different members on this platform who have been paid today. As you can see, a lot of them. So what you are going to do is you are going to sign up for a free account. So even if you are busy and you can't complete any offer, you can refer people and you are still going to be earning on this website. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.